Okay, this is the 3D printed reverse tryke RC car I've been developing, and this right now is in its stage where I just need to put some suspension on it. Right now, if you can see from the front, it's got double wishbone suspension, though I can't move it because I have these temporary solid shocks there. Later I'll have them out with proper springs, but these both will be able to articulate up and down without any issues. And then at the back here, we have one singular large section which has the motor on the back wheel, and that will also be able to move up and down. This piece right here is just a temporary shock. It's still a bit janky right now, but you can see the steering. The servo pulls the bar and it turns. So it is a bit, I need to fix this pretty soon. It's barely holding on. It's very floppy, but I can show a video of it driving and drifting around. So now right now I'm using a cheap $20 brushless motor I got with a waterproof ESC and a 5000 milliamp LiPo battery. It won't steer that responsively right now, but it's a quick fix. I just need to design a new steering axis, steering setup. Okay. I think I'll just, since the steering's not working, I think I'll just put it in max right position just to show some drifting. Okay, I'll keep it like that just for some drifting. Up. And the pinion just decided to wear out now, so I'll have to replace that, but that is the RC car so far.